Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Airline Systems is probably one of the most overlooked, yet critical, components in any workshop. From powering impact wrenches to inflating tires, a reliable airline system is the backbone of efficiency. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of shop airline systems, exploring what makes a great system, and helping you choose the perfect setup for your needs. Number 5. Primefit PCKIT 26 Air Piping System Kit. This is a complete airflow system that can be mounted to walls, ceilings, or any surface. It's designed for ease of use and efficient air delivery, making it perfect for various applications. The kit includes 100 feet of high-quality TPE tubing. This tubing offers excellent flexibility and strength, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. It comes with a tube cutter, connectors, outlet blocks, and a manifold splitter block. These components allow for easy setup and customization of your air system. This system is built to handle a maximum working pressure of 150 psi. This ensures it can handle the demands of various pneumatic tools and equipment. The specially formulated TPE tubing is both flexible and strong. It combines the benefits of thermoset rubber with the strength of engineered plastics, making it ideal for pressurized air applications. What we like. This kit provides a complete airflow system, perfect for setting up your entire shop. The TPE tubing is incredibly flexible and strong, making it easy to route around obstacles. If you're looking for a reliable and high-pressure airline system that's easy to install, this is the one for you. What people say. Because of the system being interconnected hoses, it allowed me to set up blocks on different surfaces and not run into fitment problems like you would with PVC or copper. I followed the advice of reviewers and used plumber's putty instead of Teflon tape on these connections and have had no leaks since installation 2 months ago. The press fit connections trick is to ensure the hose is fully seated, and there were no leaks there either. The included tubing cutter worked surprisingly well. Just be sure to pull back on the collar when putting the hose into the quick connectors and seat them all the way. Then a sharp tug and they're locked tight. Number 4. LEMATEC Air Dryer with Desiccant Filter. Tired of moisture ruining your paint jobs or damaging your tools? This air dryer is designed to eliminate oil, water, and moisture from your compressed air system. It ensures clean, dry air for optimal performance. This is perfect for use with pneumatic tools and HVLP paint spray guns. It helps extend the life of your tools and provides a flawless finish. You'll notice the difference immediately. With a maximum pressure of 150 psi and a flow rate of 22 cfm, it handles demanding applications with ease. It delivers consistent performance, even under pressure. Featuring 3/8 inlet and outlet ports, it's easy to integrate into your existing air system. The installation is straightforward, and it starts working right away. Invest in this air dryer and experience the benefits of clean, dry air. It protects your equipment and improves the quality of your work. Get yours today. What we like. This air dryer is designed to remove oil, water, and moisture, ensuring clean air for your tools. With a high flow rate, it won't restrict your air supply. If you're using pneumatic tools or paint spray guns, this dryer will extend their life and improve their performance, making it a must-have for any serious workshop. What people say. The product is well designed and functions as expected. The airline system is easy to install and set up. The product is of high quality and durable. Number 3. TAILONZ Pneumatic Blue 1/2-inch PU Air Tubing. Introducing the TAILONZ Pneumatic PU Air Tubing. This is a high-quality air tubing kit designed for efficient fluid transfer. It's a reliable solution for various pneumatic applications. This model comes in a 100-foot or 32-meter length, providing ample material for your needs. It's designed for durability and long-lasting performance in various environments. The tubing features a 1/2-inch outer diameter and an 8.5 mm inner diameter. This size is ideal for a wide range of pneumatic systems, ensuring optimal airflow and performance. The tubing can handle a working pressure of up to 145 psi. This makes it suitable for demanding applications where pressure resistance is crucial. It ensures safe and efficient operation. It can withstand working temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. This wide temperature range makes it suitable for use in various climates and environments. It ensures reliable performance in extreme conditions. It offers high flexibility and strong restoring force, ensuring it maintains its shape even with bending. The material is resistant to oils and non-corrosive, extending its lifespan. What we like. This PU air tubing kit offers exceptional flexibility and strong restoring force, ensuring it won't deform when bent. It's also resistant to oils, making it durable for various applications. If you like a reliable and flexible air line for your workshop, this is a great choice. What people say. The product works as advertised. The design is well thought out and easy to install. The system provides consistent air pressure. Number 2. WYNNsky 1/2-inch airline kit with fittings. This WYNNsky airline kit is perfect for those who need a reliable air system. It allows you to design and install your own personalized air system with ease. The kit includes a 60-foot, 1/2-inch OD polyurethane tube. This tube is highly flexible and oil-resistant, ensuring it can withstand various working conditions. These fittings offer a simple push-in design for quick and secure connections. No extra sealing is required, making the setup process straightforward. The kit comes with zinc-plated steel industrial air couplers and plugs. They are compatible with other brands' fittings of the same type and body size. You can purchase additional fittings to customize your airline installation. This kit is a perfect solution for garages, workshops, and barns, adapting to your specific needs. What we like. This kit allows you to customize your airline installation to fit your specific needs. The PU tube is highly flexible and oil-resistant. If you are looking for a personalized air system for your garage or workshop, this kit gives you the flexibility to design it your way. What people say. Air pressure is good at the end of a 60-feet run. Very nice to work with and easy to install. Very easy installation. The line comes rolled in the box and I let it sit in the sun for about an hour, which made it easier to manage. Connectors are good quality and provides a positive lock on the tubing. Number 1. Airlift 25812 Load Controller 2. This system puts control of your air springs right where you need it. Dual, panel-mounted gauges and buttons make it easy to adjust the ride. It's designed for convenience and performance. The system features a dual path for individual air spring inflation. This allows you to fine-tune the air pressure in each spring independently. This ensures a balanced and comfortable ride. It comes equipped with a standard-duty compressor. This ensures reliable performance for your air spring system. It's built to handle the demands of everyday use. This system is designed for universal fit. It works seamlessly with any 1/4 airline air spring kits. It's a versatile solution for various vehicle applications. Enjoy peace of mind with a 2-year or 4-year limited warranty and a 60-day ride guarantee. This demonstrates the manufacturer's confidence in the product's quality and performance. What we like. This system gives you fingertip control over 2 air springs. It features dual, panel-mounted gauges and buttons for easy monitoring and adjustment. If you have a vehicle with air springs and need precise control, this system is a game changer. What people say. Easy to check and adjust now. Used it a lot, fills up fast. The kit is a fast, easy install. If you buy the wireless model, you would have fewer places to leak and much easier installation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.